Hi and welcome to Outwell and to our Conqueror sleeping bag. This is a 3-season bag, so it's ideal for use in spring, summer and autumn. And comfort temperatures here for ladies is 2 degrees and for men is -4. So it should keep you nice and warm even in those cooler months. The first thing I want to talk you through is the design and the shape of this bag. It's a little bit different to what you might be used to, and that's because we actually don't have any zips down the side of the sleeping bag here. And what we actually have is this large opening on the top of the bag, which will allow you to get access into the bag from there. I also want to highlight just how wide the bag is. It's actually 85 centimetres wide at its widest point here. And of course what that's going to allow for is freedom of movement within the bag without feeling too wrapped up. In terms of construction of the bag, what we have is a pongee polyester on the shell on the outside of the bag here. So this is a really soft touch, luxurious feeling material that certainly should be nice and comfortable. The lining of the bag is made from a 100% cotton, and that's designed to give you that home away from home feel, so it should feel a little bit more like a duvet that you might have at home. In terms of the filling that we use within the bag, the majority of the bag itself is made up from a premium Isofill. So this is a synthetic material, which is of course designed to keep you nice and warm, as I've already mentioned, but it will pack down to a good size as well. We then have an integrated down duvet in the inside of the bag here. So this is actually attached, as I say, to the inside of the bag here, and this just gives you a real amount of flexibility of just how much coverage you want from inside the bag, as you have this sort of free to pull up depending on, of course, your comfort. What we also then have is some toggles on the edge of the duvet on top here. So you can just see here we have this loop which we would just close over like this, and this will correspond to loops inside the bag here, so you can fix this duvet in place on those colder nights to make sure that it's not going to come away from you. So a really good amount of versatility within the bag. You can get to choose exactly how much comfort you have whilst you're in there. And as I say, with that being a duck down duvet, what you will find is it's nice and breathable as well, so it's going to aid the sort of temperature regulation within the bag as well. Down towards the bottom of the bag, we do have a zipper across here, and you'll just see here that it's a 2-way zip. So there is 2 zips on here. These are YKK zips, so really good quality. When we open these up, that's going to give you great ventilation towards the bottom of the bag, and of course give you access to bring your feet out if you need to. We then also have a full zip baffle covering the zip on the inside here, so that's going to stop any drafts and any cold spots in the bottom of the bag. And we also have the taping along the baffle as well here, just to stop the zip pullers from catching on the material on the inside. So a nice little bit of detail even in a smaller zip like this towards the bottom of the bag. We also then have these handy hanging loops on the bottom of the bag as well. So these are going to be ideal for you to be able to store this bag in a wardrobe at home when you're not using it, so that you're not keeping it compressed for a long period of time. So there you have it. That's all the features of our Conqueror sleeping bag from Outwell. Thanks very much for watching.